This lesson is going to be all about understanding integers. So this is an introduction to integers. So if we have a problem like this that says understanding integers, which integer represents removing 5 pancakes from a stack of pancakes? So we have -5 and 5. So we have to choose. So the first step is to understand what an integer is. So understand that a positive number represents a gain or an increase, and a negative number simply just represents a loss or a decrease. That's all it is. So step 2, understand what the problem is saying. So the problem is saying remove 5 pancakes. Removing 5 pancakes from the stack means a loss or a decrease. So that means you use a negative integer to represent this scenario. So finally, the final answer, the integer -5 represents removing 5 pancakes from the stack. So the answer is -5. So this is just the introduction to integers. Don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. In the description, take a look there. I have links to other videos of mine that can help you with integers as well. And you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link there to this exact video. You could click on it and follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.